Is your iPhone refusing to charge, even though you've plugged it in? The dreaded charging problem can be frustrating. But don't panic. It's usually something simple to fix. In this video, we'll walk through the steps to get your iPhone charging properly again. Let's dive in. First off, why might this be happening? There are a few common causes. Your charging cable might be damaged. Your charging port might be dirty or clogged. Or the charger itself could be faulty. Luckily, these are all easy things to check and fix yourself. No need to rush to the Apple Store just yet. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the cable. This might seem obvious, but it's easy to overlook. Start by inspecting your charging cable. Look for visible damage, fraying, bends, or any cuts. If the cable looks worn or damaged, it might be the reason your phone's not charging. Try using a different cable to see if the issue is resolved. Make sure you're using an official Apple cable or a high-quality third-party one. Cheap, low-quality cables often don't deliver enough power. Step 2. Clean the charging port. Next, let's check your iPhone's charging port. Over time, dirt, lint, or dust can build up inside the port, blocking the connection. Turn off your phone and gently inspect the charging port. You can use a flashlight to look inside. If you see debris, grab a toothpick or a small brush to carefully clean it out. Be gentle so you don't damage the pins inside. Once it's clean, try charging your phone again. Sometimes, a simple cleaning is all it takes to get your phone charging properly. Step 3. Test the charger. If your cable and port are fine, it's time to test the charger itself. Try plugging your iPhone into a different charger or power source. Maybe your wall outlet or charging block is the problem. You can also try charging through a computer or a different power adapter. If the phone starts charging, then the issue might be with your original charger. Still not charging? It's time to check your phone's software. Sometimes, a software glitch can prevent charging. Try restarting your iPhone, and if that doesn't work, perform a soft reset. If that still doesn't solve the issue, you might need to check for any available software updates. Now that we've fixed it, here are some tips to prevent charging problems in the future. Keep your charging port clean. Dust and lint can quickly build up again. Don't overstretch your cables. Always store your cables carefully and avoid bending them too much. Using a cable management system can help keep everything neat. Use quality charging accessories. Stick to certified chargers and cables to avoid future issues. Alright, now you should be back in business with your iPhone charging as it should. If this video helped, don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful iPhone fixes, and drop a comment below if you've got any questions. I'm always happy to help out. Thanks for watching.